Hello guys and welcome to another short Xbox tip video, and today let's check how easy it is to change your game tag name on your Xbox profile. Let's go! So from our Xbox home menu, let's go up here to our name. Just go up to our name, you'll see your name there, and make sure that this is the account you actually wanna change the name. If this is not the one you wanna change the name, just go back and you'll see here add or switch. So click on that and select the account you wanna change the name. Anyway, I'm gonna change the name on this one. So just click on your account, click on your profile, and here just go down here where it says customize profile. Click on this one, and right here just click on your name. And here they give you the option to type the new gamer tag you want to set. So I just typed the new gamer tag that I wanted, and it has to be up to 12 characters. It can include also spaces, but it cannot start with a number. So I put Xbox Gamer 23 for example. Let's press start and check for availability. And right, and yes, it's changed. As you can see on the right of the screen, it says Xbox Gamer 23. Of course, it has one hashtag and some numbers after. And that's good, it's changed and we're all good. And it says there also that this will replace the previous gamer tag, the Lacrosse23, once I confirm the change. And Lacrosse23 will be available to others as well. So if you want your previous gamer tag, just don't change it. And very important, you see the message over there. It says, since this is your first gamer tag change, with the new system, we're giving you a freebie. So this is for free, but after that, you may have to pay for it. So if you change it, make sure that you choose the correct gamer tag, the one you want. So for here, actually, I don't want it, so I'll press B to go back, but you can continue the procedure and change your gamer tag this way. If you have many profile accounts that you don't use, check the video right here to see how easy you can remove them. Subscribe for more tips like this, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.